Hi, my name is Lindsay and I'm a certified personal trainer with Sunny Health and Fitness. Are you ready to revolutionize your home workouts? Say hello to the ultimate smart treadmill, the Ultra T10, where cutting-edge tech meets sleek design and serious performance. Whether you're chasing a 12-mile-per-hour sprint or a scenic jog streamed on your tablet, this Wi-Fi treadmill brings the world to your feet with a vibrant screen that keeps you motivated mile after mile. Designed for modern living, this folding treadmill fits seamlessly into your space. And today, I am here to show you how this treadmill brings premium technology and performance to your home gym. Walking or running on a treadmill is one of the easiest and most effective ways to stay active. It's low impact, convenient, and great for improving heart health, burning calories, and boosting your mood, all without leaving the comfort of your home or gym. Treadmill running also helps protect your joints. The cushioned belt absorbs shock, reducing the impact on your knees and ankles compared to hard outdoor surfaces. The Ultra T10 Smart Treadmill takes it a step further with its double-deck shock absorption system designed to minimize joint stress and deliver a smooth, comfortable stride. Now let's focus on what makes the Ultra T10 treadmill a smarter, more motivating way to move. Its 10-inch touchscreen brings workouts to life with vivid visuals, quick touch controls, and real-time tracking. Stream your favorite shows, follow the Sunny Fit app, trainer-led sessions, or explore 10,000 or more scenic routes from around the world, all from one sleek display. No phone needed, just connect to Wi-Fi and go. A 3.0 horsepower ultra-quiet motor powers speed up to 12 miles per hour, perfect for walking, jogging, or sprinting without disturbing your family or the neighbors. The 12% automatic incline adds a challenge and calorie burn. It is truly built to last with a 300-pound weight capacity and heavy-duty steel frame. The Ultra T10 is designed for daily, high-intensity use. Plus, the quick access speed and incline buttons and built-in heart rate sensors help you stay in control and on track with your workout. Before operating, step onto the side rails. Attach the safety key to your pants so that in case of an emergency, the treadmill will stop moving. Press the green start button to begin moving and press any of the quick touch buttons to automatically increase the speed or the incline. Use the up and down arrow buttons to adjust your speed or incline to a precise speed or elevation. I will press the 12% auto incline button to show you just how steep this treadmill can get. At this maximum height, I can feel my glutes, my quads, and my calves strengthening with every step. As I mentioned previously, you can connect to Wi-Fi and stream your favorite shows, music, and fitness content directly from the treadmill screen with no extra devices required for a more engaging and enjoyable workout. When you are finished with your workout, remove the safety pin from your clothing and attach it back to the treadmill. Step onto the side rails and exit off. The soft drop hydraulic system allows easy folding and unfolding with front transport wheels for convenient movement. Workouts have never been so entertaining and comfortable now that the Ultra T10 Smart has brought premium technology to enhance your workout experience. Sunny Health and Fitness delivers premium equipment with a commitment to quality. Backed by US-based customer support and certified trainers, we offer a truly unmatched fit-for-everyone experience. Our customer service team is committed to excellence, so please reach out to us if you have any questions. The smarter choice for fitness is the Ultra T10 Smart Treadmill.